Are you working a full-time job but itching to make some extra money on the side? Well, you're in luck because today I'm breaking down 4 amazing side hustle ideas that are perfect for full-time workers. These are flexible, scalable, and can fit into your busy schedule. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorites because it's so hands-off once you set it up. Basically, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank are great places to start. The key? Pick products you genuinely believe in and share them with your audience. It's a win-win. Side hustle number 2, digital products. This is a goldmine if you've got knowledge or creativity to share. Think eBooks, online courses, templates, or printables. Once you create the product, it's all about selling it repeatedly without much extra effort. For example, if you're great at graphic design, you could sell Canva templates. Or if you're a pro at budgeting, create a financial planning guide. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable make it super easy to get started. The best part? You're building a passive income stream. Now, let's talk about freelancing. This is perfect if you've got a skill you can monetize, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or even virtual assistants. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal connect you with clients looking for your expertise. The beauty of freelancing is that you can work on projects in your spare time, and you get to set your own rates. Plus, it's a great way to build a portfolio that could even lead to a full-time career change down the line. Side hustle number 4, Instagram theme page business. If you're scrolling through Instagram anyway, why not make it profitable? Create a page around a niche you're passionate about: fitness, travel, memes, or even pets. Grow your audience by posting consistently and engaging with your followers. Once you've built a solid following, you can monetize through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. It's a fun and creative way to turn your Instagram addiction into cash. Want to learn how Nicholas makes $30K per month with an Instagram theme page? Check the link in the description for a free video.